friends, today we will learn about drill machine operation in blast furnace. In a blast furnace, drill machine generally used in cast house to open casting or tapping. Following main operation observed in a drill machine. 1. Swiveling operation. 2. Rotation operation. 3. Air, mist or nitrogen mist operation. 4. Carriage forward backward operation. 5. Hammering operation. Swiveling operation. Movement of drill machine from parking position to tap hole center, return back to parking. This movement used for mud gun drill machine center checking. This movement used for drilling, casting opening. Rotation operation. This is rotation of drill pipe along with drill bit by drifter. Could be pneumatic or hydraulic operated. Air, mist or nitrogen mist operation. Air mist or nitrogen mist serves the purpose of cooling effect along with quick removal of generated cutting tap hole mass dust. In absence of sufficient cooling, drill bit tip will be damaged, reducing cutting efficiency. More number of drill bits will be required per tap hole opening. Carriage forward backward operation. This movement required to forward or reverse the carriage along with drill bit slowly to cut the tap hole clay, gradually open tap hole. Normally forward movement is comparatively slower for better drilling efficiency. Reverse movement is comparatively faster due to avoid damage of drill machine. Hammering operation. This movement helps to cut hard tap hole clay and smooth forward feeding of the drill machine. When skilled operator observe the clay is harder inside, then only hammering action used, otherwise without hammering normal drilling done. Do's. Check mud gun centering before casting opening. Fill mud gun clay before casting opening. Check lud lay available before opening casting. Check compressed air nitrogen pressure before opening casting. Check mist is coming before opening casting. Ensure clay dust is coming out during drilling, otherwise check drill bit for jamming. Thank you for watching our video. For any doubts, please feel free to text.